Welcome to 12 days of holiday baking. Today we are making candied pecans. This recipe is strictly done on the stovetop, so grab yourself your pan and then combine all the ingredients except the pecans. You can then bring your element to medium-low heat and heat that all up. In this case, I didn't have any brown sugar, so I used white sugar and then added a little bit of molasses. Once your mixture is fully combined and starting to bubble, you can add in your pecans and continue to cook on medium-low heat. Cook the pecans until they are the consistency you are looking for. The longer you cook them, the more crystallized the sugar will become, and then you can place them onto parchment paper to completely cool. And there you have it, easy stovetop candied pecans. You can eat these just as they are, but they are also a great addition to a recipe, such as brownies or on top of a cookie. I recently made them with these shortbread cookies, so you can go check out that video if you want. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and like always, the recipe will be below.